It's indeed a pleasure for me to witness this signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the British Council and the Government of Sindh, which enables teachers to teach English. And I'm grateful for the British Council for doing this. Just before I start my written speech, I have just remembered while sitting there something which my father told me. My father said that, he was, I guess it must be 6, 7 or 8 years old at that time. The British were ruling the subcontinent. And the deputy collector of that time wrote a letter to my grandfather. It was in English. And when that letter came, my grandfather was not English speaking or English reading. So at that time, they had somebody who would come in and read the letter and translate it. And my father was there and he said, my grandfather asked him, "Can you read this?" And he read the letter. He was 7 or 8 years old. And he told him, and my father said, he was so pleased and so that the entire next week, whoever would come to him, he'd say, my son just read out a letter to me and he told me what the British had done and now he can talk to the British. So English is an international language and we communicate with the world through this language. So it's always good to have our teachers capable enough to teach English to the students. This program, which is going to directly teach 31,000 teachers who in turn would teach the language to 2 million children, would be great benefit for all of us. This initiative will benefit, as I said, 30,000 newly inducted primary teachers and early childhood teachers, along with 1,000 trained mentors and 35 course leaders by targeting educators at the onset of their careers. EaSTE-II equips them with essential skills, confidence, and ongoing support to thrive in the vital roles. Integrating professional development into daily classroom practice, EaSTE-II presents a suitable model for continuous learning, fully aligned with the Sindh CPD Model 2022 and the ECCE and Foundation Learning Policy 2024.